taking a look at those highs that we saw for today across Colorado. The mountains seeing those coldest temperatures, and Gunnison only getting up to 14 degrees for their high today. So much different story for along I-25, where we're all in those 60s except for Fort Collins up at 51. So we saw it was actually 68 degrees here in the Springs, 67 down in Pueblo. Again, most of us saw 60s for today. So another warm day, and that will be pretty much the last day of those warm temperatures until this front continues to move through. So we saw that front move through earlier on today, and it is just now making its way out of the state, and it is going to help bring in some cooler air behind that front, and we're going to see some snow going into your Monday morning. So let's play this out on Futurecast. So going into your Sunday evening, it's just going to be some cloud cover in the area, but once we make it into Monday, as you can see, we're going to start in the mountains with that snow. It's going to work its way south, and then going into those overnight hours, most of us down south will just be left with some cloud cover, though Levita and Walsenburg and Colorado City, you guys still could be seeing some flurries in the area and into those overnight hours. So our snow confidence levels look like this. So at least an inch for the Springs. You guys have about an 80% chance of seeing that. 2 inches goes down just a little bit, but still pretty confident of seeing those 2 inches. Pueblo, you guys have around a 75% chance of seeing at least an inch. Woodland Park and Canyon City both sitting at 85%. So we'll see around 1 to 2 inches at least for most of us along I-25. So this is what I put together for those snow totals. So 1 to 4 inches I'm thinking for here in the Springs, 1 to 3 down in Pueblo. I think we're going to see the higher snow totals down south. Rye 1 to 4, 2 to 4 for Walsenburg, and 2 to 5 inches of snow for Trinidad. Now Woodland Park, you guys could still see a decent amount of snow at 2 to 5 inches because you guys are at that higher elevation. Now if you are headed out to the Manitou Springs Parade for tonight, it is going to be from 6 to 7 p.m., but it will be cold and there will be some cloud cover in the area, so definitely grab that jacket and maybe even grab a hot chocolate while you're out there as well. And KOA will be there with their own float, so come out and say hi. As for those overnight lows for tonight, most of us will be in those 20s, so another cold night and a little bit colder than what we have seen. So highs tomorrow, definitely a change after that front moving through. 35 here in the Springs, 39 for that high in Pueblo. As for the next 7 days, Monday, that's the day that we're all looking at. I have that storm impact scale at a 2 right now. So any outdoor plans will likely be impacted. Snow accumulations 1 to 4 inches, and we are likely to see that during the early morning commute, but we'll start to clear out going into Tuesday. Pueblo, 39 degrees for your Monday. We'll start off cold going into your Tuesday morning at 14 degrees for that low, and Wednesday morning will also be cold, but we'll warm back up into those 40s, and we'll gradually warm up going on throughout the week. Canyon City, 39 for your Monday, clearing out going into Tuesday, though still cold, and will gradually warm up as we go on throughout the week. Woodland Park, 28 degrees for your Monday. You guys will see the coldest temperatures out of all of us. 3 degrees for that low going into Tuesday morning, so do not skip out on those layers, but we'll warm up going throughout the week.